While there are loads of Xiaomi phones possibly coming soon, the Xiaomi Mi 12 will be the brand's next true flagship phone. The Mi 12 follows the Xiaomi Mi 11, the brand's 2020 flagship, which also had a premium sibling in the Mi 11 Ultra and a mid-range one in the Mi 11 Lite 5G. While we gave the Mi 11 a very good score, there's always things a successor could do better. We've covered all the news and leaks we know so far about the Xiaomi Mi 12 in this video. Xiaomi is a weird company for release dates, at least judging by the Mi 11 series, and the Mi 12 probably won't be any different. The Mi 11 was first unveiled in December 2020 in a China-only launch. It took only February 2021 for a global relaunch and another month until it went on sale. That's a bizarre and stretched out timetable that negates lots of the phone's hype by the time it reaches the global market. So hopefully Xiaomi won't repeat it for the Mi 12. We can't know for sure though. Regarding the Xiaomi Mi 12 price, we can once again only go on the Mi 11 as guidance. The phone costs £749 and $1,040, which put it roughly in line with the Samsung Galaxy S21 and OnePlus 9 in terms of price. We've seen some fan-made renders of the Xiaomi Mi 12. While they're not official, they're actually based on real leaks about the phone, so we can use them as a really early look at the device. The screen and design looks roughly the same as on the Mi 11, but there's an extra rear camera and no front-facing camera. This doesn't mean selfies are forbidden, but that the phone could have an under-display snapper like the ZTE Accent 12 5G. Before I heard anything specifically about the Xiaomi Mi 12, Xiaomi unveiled a new tech called Xiaomi Hypercharge, which offers 200 watts wired charging and 120 watt wireless charging. That's supposedly enough to fully charge a 4000 mAh battery in just 8 minutes, with wired charging, or in 15 minutes wireless. Can you guys believe this? Wow! But the company hasn't said this will be used in the Xiaomi Mi 12, but we think it's likely to arrive in a phone before too long, so the Xiaomi Mi 12 is a likely candidate. Anyway, while we wait to hear more about the Mi 12, we put our heads together to think of some improvements we'd like to see the company make in its next flagship series. Lower price. When it burst into the Western phone market, Xiaomi made a name for itself with its flagship killer phones that had similar specs to top offerings from Samsung and OnePlus, but with much lower prices. With the Mi 11, that's no longer the case. The vanilla phone and Ultra model both match rivals in terms of prices. The Mi 11 wasn't too expensive as such, but the competitive edge that put Xiaomi ahead has gone. We'd like to see the Mi 12 undercut its contemporaries so it can put itself ahead of them in a more palpable way. If there's another Ultra model, we'd like to see that much more affordable, as the Mi 11 Ultra arguably wasn't worth its cost. A cleaner user interface. MIUI, the Android fork Xiaomi uses on its phones, has some really great features and some absolutely horrible ones. The company needs to sort it out. It's true that MIUI presents loads of customization options, more so than other Android forks, and the interface has solid security. But on the other hand, MIUI comes with loads of bloatware, has an annoying security scan pop-up every time you install an app, and is really buggy. These issues need fixing before we can wholeheartedly love Xiaomi phones. New photography modes. We're listing something here that we almost definitely will see, but this is a list of what we want to see, and Xiaomi's new camera modes are often a treat to play with. For photography and videography in the camera app, Xiaomi often brings new modes that rivals don't have. There are loads of effects-heavy video modes called movie effects. automatic color editing for photography, and the sky editing mode that lets you completely change the skyline and weather effects for photos. We're already excited to see what the Mi 12 brings, as the fun modes will likely make using the camera a treat. Number 4. Better battery life. The Xiaomi Mi 11 series was plagued by a consistent problem in that the phones just didn't have a very good battery life. While each phone had a huge battery, it doesn't seem like the software or features were optimized very well, causing the power to drain quickly. In particular, the Mi 11 Ultra had an overheating problem which caused the charge to plummet. Clearly, bigger isn't better in this case. We'd like Xiaomi to roll out more battery optimizations that save the phones from dying so quickly. Improved fingerprint scanner. Not all Xiaomi phones have in-screen fingerprint scanners, but the ones that do often mess up this feature a little bit. Some in-screen scanners can be temperamental, meaning your finger sometimes gets rejected even if it should work. This can sometimes be a software issue, other times just an issue with the sensor being too small. Xiaomi needs to figure out a fix for these fingerprint sensors because they're pretty annoying to use otherwise. So guys, this was all about the upcoming Xiaomi Mi 12 device. I hope you liked the video. If you really did, smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our Gadgets friendly channel, Gadgets Times.